So welcome back again for another video, and for this video we'll be key mapping normal pump using Flydigi here in Call of Duty Mobile.
Get ready.
So as you all know, there's no infinite pump in the latest update of Call of Duty Mobile. So infinite pump is a class bug or a pump bug. You
Airdrop
can no
incoming.
longer do this. What you see in this clip is the infinite pump. It's a pump class bug. So we can no longer do that. So now we'll be key mapping the normal pump with just using one button. Normally, if you're a
Airdrop has
pump
been
class user,
delivered.
you press and hold the jump to activate the pump class. So with choosing Flydigi converter, you can only use one button for that. So to key map the normal pump, open Flydigi app
Airdrop incoming.
and choose any button you like. Let's say B, like this. Choose macro, edit, add the button. Put this on the jump icon here, like this. Make this 0 and make this 2 seconds.
The safe zone is collapsing.
2 seconds. 2.01. Okay.
Airdrop has been
Save.
delivered.
Save. So if you press once the letter B for our pump, see, press it again. Press the letter B. I'm pressing the B once. See? There you go. So that's how you came up the pump class using Flydigi converter. So that's it for this video. So I hope that you learned something from this video. And if you like this video and if you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe for more key mapping tutorials just like this one. Features of tutorials or DIY tutorials, reviews, and other content. So that's all, and see you in my next video.
Get ready.